Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Allison, and in this video I'm sharing with you guys how you can make your own gentle body brown sugar scrub using some ingredients that you probably already have in your home. This scrub is great to help keep your skin nourished, remove any dead skin, keep your skin moisturized and glowing, especially around this time of year when our skin tends to get a little dry because of the cold, dry weather. At the recording of this video, it is February and we're uh, in the midst of winter. How often you should scrub your skin? Well, that depends on your skin type. So try maybe once a week and see how your skin handles it, and then try to increase it to 2 times a week, and just test it out to see how often you should use the scrub. Also, one very important thing, you want to always be very cautious. You want to, because you won't be using any preservatives in this scrub, you want to make sure that you don't put any water in the scrub when you're using it or handling it. You want to make sure that your skin, I'm sorry, your hands are nice and dry. When you're using it in the shower or the bath, just take out some and put it in a separate container and take it in the shower with you. Again, this is just very important that you don't introduce any type of water into the scrub, because it might cause it to mold. I will list all of the ingredients. You will see the ingredients that I'm using in the video. However, you can use maybe some other oils, a separate, you have some alternatives. So I will list those alternatives in the description section of this video. Oh yes, and by the way, if you're new here on the channel, I provide just some basic holistic health and wellness self-care tips for Black women over the age of 50 to empower them to live the life that they desire and deserve, age gracefully, and obtain optimal health. So check out the channel. On the channel, I have these simple DIYs where you can create your own skincare products using some simple ingredients. Oh yes, and following this video, I will include the link, and it will be included in the description section of this video. But I have just a basic video on how you can make your own oh gosh, whipped shea butter. So after you do your body scrub, you could then follow up using your own whipped shea butter. And then I also have like some detox bath salts that you can use for at-home pedicure. But again, I'll put the link to those videos in the description section of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and comment and share this video, share the channel with other Black women that are on the mission to prioritize their self-care, and they want to be a part of a growing community. Thank you so much for watching this video. And oh yes, by the way, if you make the scrub and you use it, please come back to this video and leave a comment and let me know how did it turn out, and how does your skin feel. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.